sound, because the sound is all we care about. Oh. Alright, so we're going to slide you over here. Yes.
You don't like that, Bob?
Yes. Yes.
See him squirming over there.
I got adjusted a couple years
One more
back.
time.
It scared the hell out of me.
Oh, good there. Yeah, it's gonna be right there. So, all the way in. All the way. Real close. That is. So, like that. Stay close. Oh, fuck. Dr. G.
Out. I'm going to press down. Good. Relax. Good. That was big. All right, we're going to go one more time. Take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good, right. Good. Earlier, she was complaining a little bit more of her low back on this left side. So we're going to do is we're going to do a side posture adjustment on this left. Good. I'm going to tilt this way. Good. There it is. Take a deep breath in. And I'm going to have you exhale all the way out. Good. Relax. Good. All right. Now I'm going to have you face that side. So I'm going to go right on this side through here. Good. I'm going to tilt you down just a little bit more. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Good. Relax right here. Good. Now I turn this way, and I'm actually going to contact right in through here. I'm going to have you bend your head down just a little bit. There you go. So I'm going to have you take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out right here. Relax those shoulders for me. Good. Good. I'm going to have you turn back to this left side here. There's a little bit more. Going to go down. Just distract the C3, C4 region. All right. So just relax your head here. Bend down, bend down, bend down. There you go. Take a deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Relax the shoulders for me. Good. Good.
Let that right shoulder drop. Good. Let this left loose. Perfect. Some good stuff. So turn your head that way. Hand here.
Oh, my favorite.
My favorite too.
Oh,
There we go. That moves like butter. Good. So now you're gonna roll on. And so some people can come in here and push, just like that,
wow.
and get a good adjustment. Other people need to come in and push down like this. You got two there.
Yeah.
Hold the other side. Or and get a sacred leg joint like that. Good. On your back. How'd that feel?
Really good on the right side.
Shoulders relaxed just like that. One more breath. In, out. Right there. Okay, breathe in again. We're gonna change our position a little bit and breathe out. Beautiful. How did we do, sir?
Oh, that feel good.
Deep again, sir. And out. Chest relax, Jorge. Shoulders relax. Beautiful. How do we do there?
Good.
Amazing. All right. Now, as long as your head is on the rest, you will not fall. You hold on right there, and I'll hold right here. Breathe in deep. And out. Shoulders relax right there. And breathe. Loosen the shoulders. Beautiful. There we go. And right there, straighten that out. Hips relaxed. Shoulders relaxed, bud. I got you now. There we go. Okay, cool. And gonna go like this. This one's a little bit different. We're gonna breathe in deep. And out. Head stays on the rest, hips relaxed. Drop, drop. There we go. A little bit louder. It's closer to the ears, but it's the same thing. We're gonna breathe in, Jorge. And out. This is actually the upper back, T1, head relaxed. It's pretty tight through there. So I'm gonna leave.
Yep, put your face down in there. Now I want you to let your spine just sink in here with gravity as much as possible. That's it. That's a deep one. Yes, sir. Go. Keep breathing there, Clint. That's it. Alrighty. You're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit on the clavicles and your anterior ribs there. Now just let me have this right leg and just relax. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up to your back. Yes, good. Same thing here. Yes, sir. Good job. Okay, let's sit you face that way, please, sir. Sideways, yep. Okay. Now Clint's an old football player. And when I say old, that means he played in the past, not that he's old. He's had left knee surgery already for medial collateral ligament tear. There we go. Chiropractic adjustments don't decompress it on the y-axis like that one does. That's why I call it ring dinger. Did you feel that all the way down, didn't you?
I did.
Yep. Okay, just relax your head in my hand. Yes, sir. Boy, crack addict's gonna love you. Yeah, boy. Oh. Uh-huh.
Thoracic. Beautiful motion, breath in again. Beautiful, Jay. Easy on this one. Slow, deep breath in and out. Drop the hips all the way, shoulders loose. Beautiful. A little bit more, perfect. I'm gonna swap these out. And shoulders loose, breathe in and out. A little bit more, we're gonna lay face up now, Jay. Tighten the abs. One more. Beautiful, sir. And then on your back, Jay, right there. Beautiful.
2. Yes, sir. Yeah, crack addict's gonna love you too. There we go. You go fix. Let me have it. There you go. You feel that from your knee all the way up to your low back?
Yep.
Okay, same thing here. Let this one go. There we go. Good. Okay. Now let's hit you up face toward the blade. That's it. There. Okay. There we go. That's it. Yeah. Yes, sir, Bob. That's why I call it ring dinger. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
All the way down.
Yes, sir. And look at there, you're still kicking. Imagine that. Okay, lay your head in my hands on this one. Oh yeah. Doesn't get any better than that. Yes, sir. And face up in here, please, sir. Now, I want you just to let your spine kind of sink down in here and relax. No, let it sink with gravity. There you go, better. I'm getting tension on this and bringing it to tension. There we go. That was a deep one, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's come over here again. All the way up to L1 there. Now I'm going to go up above your thoracolumbar. Okay, just breathe normal. There you go. Now Rodney's a big guy, so adjusting him's kind of like moving a Volkswagen. Do that to me anymore. Relax this. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way up in your lower back, Rodney.
Sure did.
Good. Let this one go. Uh-huh. There you go. Super. Okay, now let's sit you up and face this way, sideways. Yep. Scoot back this way just a little bit, please, sir. There we go. Oh, relax. There we go. And to get an appointment here, go to Advanced Houston Chiropractor and fill out a new patient request form, and that's the fastest. You know, the results speak for themselves. We don't paralyze people, we don't give people strokes. Okay, relax. There you go. Yes, sir. Home run. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Yep.
Okay, lay your head in my hands as if you're sleeping. Tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. Now wiggle your right ear. There you go. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. Move your left big toe. There you go. Boy.
For me. And there we go. Shoulders relax, hips relax. And we're gonna start in the mid back. And I'm gonna contact an area that needs to move. And you're gonna feel a movement and hear a noise. You know? Shoulders relax. Beautiful. How'd we do?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Doing good?
Yeah, that's,
Dog friendly at Active Health.
yeah.
We're gonna bend the top leg here. Bottom leg goes straight. Hips relaxed. Okay. Just, you're gonna put your hands like this. And then I'm gonna hold you here so you don't roll off the table.
Okay.
And then what I'm gonna do is contact your lower lumbar vertebrae with this hand. And then the force comes between the hips, so I'm gonna lean over you a little bit.
Okay.
So big breath in. Hips relax, just like that. Shoulders relax.
Oh my god.
How do we do?
That's crazy.
It's wild, right? There we go. Drop the hips a little bit. Shoulders relaxed.
Oh my god.
Wow. That's big, right?
Yeah,
Now
super
we
big.
Lay on our back, please. Louder because it's closer to the ears, but it's the same thing. Shoulders relax. Did okay there?
Yeah.
Breathe in. Relax, we're going to put a little motion into your foot this way. Let your foot go. Beautiful. Foot relaxed here. Excellent. Now we're going to bend both knees, please.
I can see like every centimeter.
You can
though,
see every,
know?
you see every millimeter, right?
Yeah.
Not bad for one visit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've
No,
got.
the craziest thing is like that last thing you did. Normally, whenever
Mhm.
you like have me push up, I feel strain here.
Mhm.
Cause like I've not felt this muscle fire in work in like 7 months. You know.
Yeah,
Like, that's
I do know.
crazy.
Unfortunately, I do know.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm super happy. You're gonna get better here.
Yeah.